Hey guys, it's Leah and today I'm going to open up the newest Animal Jams. They're season 3 and they're cupcakes and I'm so excited and I just want to open them up right now, so let's just open them up. First I'm going to do this one. Okay. I almost got it. Okay, I finally got it opened. You open it here, I guess. Wait, how?
I think you're supposed to twist it.
Twist. Oh.
Twist the top off. There you go.
Wait.
There.
Oh, I can see it. It's an Animal Jam. Okay, so my dad helped me open this, and I can't tell what this is. It kind of looks like a wolf or something. And then here's a little banana split that goes.
A banana head.
Yeah, and it goes on top of his head. Which I do not know why there's a banana split that goes on top of his head. There he is.
Hey, it looks like we got Bubble Boy with the banana head. He's not rare or anything, but still pretty cool looking.
Okay, so I'm opening up this next one, and it is pink right there. And it kind of looks like a little grasshopper.
Nice.
And
It's kind of creepy looking.
yeah, it has wings.
Blue wings. And he's got some big eyes. What's his accessory?
Let's see what it is. Oh, there we go. This is an accessory.
What is it?
It looks like a little cup of ice cream. Let me put it on top of his head.
So it looks like they all have like food hats.
That's funny.
Okay, it looks like this one we got Miss Sprinkles. Also not a rare one, pretty common, but that's okay. She looks pretty cool.
Yep, and that is a very weird name.
Miss Sprinkles.
Very unusual name for a grass. Okay, so I'm opening up my next one, and it is white. This one looks very, very, very unusual.
What is it? Oh, is that a mouse?
Yeah. That is a very unusual.
That's cute.
That's a very unusual mouse that we have.
What's the hat?
The hat looks like it's like a green and only green carrot.
A green carrot hat.
That's just weird. Okay, let me put it on our mouse's back. I guess.
Okay, it looks like this one is called Jelly Mouse.
Yeah.
And it's a gem. We got a rare one.
Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
That is so cool.
She has sparkly ears, Jelly Mouse.
Okay, so we're going to open up this next one, and
It's the last one.
it is the last one, and it is pink.
No, the last one.
And I do not know what it is. It has to be rare. I hope it's rare.
You think it's gonna be a rare one?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
Wait, it actually looks like a grasshopper.
You got another grasshopper?
Yeah, just it's yellow now.
Ooh, look at that one. That one got glittery antenna.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sure does. It's a yellow with orange glittery antenna.
There we go. Let me get out all this stuff and then get his little accessory out.
What's his accessory?
Let me see.
Or hers?
Huh, it looks like a little piece of cake.
Ooh, I want a cake hat. Cool. Okay, so the grasshopper's name is Honey Peach. And
it is a rare one.
it's a gem. We got 2 gems today.
Yeah, and gem means rare. Okay, so I opened up 4 animal jams, and I got 2 rare ones. I got this grasshopper and this mouse, and my favorite one is the mouse. And you guys comment down below which one is your favorite, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!